This is the tutorial on how to use Audio Visualizer template. So first of all, import your photo and your audio, so your song. Go to import file, choose your files, click import, and then you will have your photo and your song available in the After Effects. So next you go to edit compositions, click on images, select photo holder and logo, double click. Let's open song composition also, so we click on that. So to add the photo to your background, go to your photo composition, click on your photo, drag it, then align it as you want. We will align it like this. So then you go to your logo. This is the guideline, which will show you the borders of your logo type. It can be any shape, but you can see the borders of your logo. So for example, I will choose this logo, and you need to make sure that your logo is bigger than this shape, because on the final version everything that's outside this circle is going to be cut off. Let's say this is our logo and I want it to be like this. So you can go and check it. So we see some sort of text here. So read it, and it says go to song composition, go to your track, right click, keyframe assistant, convert your audio to keyframes. Okay, we go to song, we select our song, we import it, nothing happens. Nothing happens because we didn't follow all the steps. So we click on our track with the right click, go to keyframe assistant, then convert audio to the keyframes. And once we've done this step, everything disappears, so there's no more information going on, and we can go to our composition and check it. And once we've done all the steps, everything appears. So we can see all the movement happening, all the waves are going, and we see our logo. So here we see in the top left corner our song name and artist name, which we also can change. Of course, go to text, double click on those, and here you edit anything. For example, my new song, and the second one we go our new artist, let's say like this, and we go to final composition and we check it, and as we see, everything works. So then we see that we have this track line, timeline, and the time and the actual time. And so to change all of this, to change the colors of those, we need to go to our audio visual controllers and select those timeline colors. So let's say the background color we want green, it will appear green, and the first color we want, for example, purple, like this, or also green. I don't care. So it also makes the changes. There is the possibility that your song will be larger than 1 minute and 26 seconds. So for this case, we can always extend this border, this time border, by dragging this end marker to your song, let's say, timing. Yeah, for instance, your song is 2 minutes and 8 frames long, so we just simply drag our end marker to this position, and we see that while our song is going to be played, all the exact amount of movement our timeline is going to make. So yeah, you can simply change this period of time simply by dragging your end marker. It doesn't matter, your song can be 10 seconds or even 1 second long, or it can be, let's say, here we have the border of 4 minutes 20 seconds, and it will still work. Yeah, as planned. We can go to audio visual controllers and for instance switch particles. We don't want the cubes and triangles, for example, we want the pyramids, and we simply click the pyramids, checkbox, and we see that the pyramids are flying. We can switch the color of those particles. We can adjust the maximum size of our audio waves. Let's say, let's find some more obvious point. Maybe we want to work. Yeah, it works. So yeah, we can do it like this. We can also change the colors. So then we need to change, for example, our background colors. To do this, you need to find photo controller, and in this photo controllers you can change all of those things, but they won't be very visible because of our tinting, and the tint color can be changed in here, and tint amount can be changed at the very bottom of this effect control panel. So if we switch it to 0, we see the original colors of our photo, and then you can play with all those saturation. Let's say we want this 92. We can apply warming filter, cooling filter. We can apply tints of the midtones, or we can tint the shadows, which are, let's say, for now they are black, but we can switch them to purple, and all of the blacks are going to be purple, and so on. Yes, simply read what the effect does and try it on. It's the easiest way to understand which effect does what. And here we also have vignette, and this vignette can be, of course, the color can be changed. We can switch the color, and we can switch the amount of this vignette. So if we make it, let's say 100 is the maximum actually, and we can do it in red and in blue, so any color you want. Yeah. So for now, let's make it 100, and we will stay with this color palette. So yeah, if you have any further questions, you can simply contact me via Motion Array email, and I will help you with this template. Thank you very much. So here's the tutorial on how to use this template. All of the basic instructions you can find in After Effects instructions PDF file following the link motionarray.com tutorials. Special tutorial link for After Effects photo and video template tutorial. In that tutorial you will learn how to add images to this template, how to add text compositions. So what's unique about this template? The only thing that's unique in this template is the control panel. So to control all the colors of the compositions, you go to the composition to render, which is the final composition of this file. You go to controller layer, you press effect controls, and here you can see all the controls you can change. So the first controllers are made for controlling photo. So the highlights, highlight tones of the photo, cooling filters, contrast, brightness, and so on. And the very last ones, starting from the background, these are the controls of composition. So by clicking each of them and choosing the color you wish, it will change the composition color. So background is for the background, big text is for the big text. In this example it's here, for example, so we can change it for red. You'll see all the changes live. And simply read all the names and you will get what each effect does. Thank you.